From now on, in this series about the exocrine glands, we will deal with the classification criteria for this type of glands. In the previous video, we learned that multicellular glands are composed by a set of epithelial cells with secretion function, and that exocrine glands are those which maintain the connection with the original epithelial lining, thus releasing their products of secretion on the surface of the body or in the lumen of an organ. This type of gland is numerous and ubiquitous in our organism, being found, for example, in the skin, along the gastrointestinal and respiratory tracts, and in the reproductive systems. Moreover, they are found in an outstanding variety of size, from tiny glands present in the walls of the stomach and the intestines to whole organs like the pancreas, the liver, and the salivary glands. The sweat, sebaceous, lacrimal, and mammary glands are all exocrine. However, even against the big numbers and many different sizes of exocrine glands in our body, we still find similarities and morphological differences among them in microscopic observations. Therefore, it was possible to create a classification system of the exocrine glands in order to organize scientific knowledge and to facilitate the understanding of such biological diversity. We have identified 5 criteria for the classification of exocrine glands, 3 of them related to the shape, and 2 of them related to the secretion. A very educational way to understand this criteria, drawing upon pictures and observations of histological sections, is through questioning. We will have then 3 questions to make about the shape. First, if the gland duct divides. Second, what is the shape of the secretory portion? And third, if this secretory portion branches. And 2 questions to make about the secretion. What is the nature of secretion? And how is the product of secretion eliminated from the secretory cells? If the exocrine gland has only one single undivided duct, it is called simple. If the duct divides itself, it is classified as compound. This is the classification related to the gland duct. The other 2 questions about the shape refer to the secretory portion. This portion may have a tubular or spherical shape, both hollow. If it is tubular, the exocrine gland is classified as tubular. If it is spherical, the exocrine gland is acinar or alveolar. There are glands which come in 2 shapes in the secretory portion: tubules and spheres. They are called tubuloacinar or tubuloalveolar exocrine glands. The secretory portion may also branch or not. If it does not branch, no specific term is used to refer to the gland. But if the secretory portion does branch, the exocrine gland is designated branched. Let's move on to the classification of exocrine glands in relation to secretion. When the product of secretion is a protein, such as in digestive enzymes, we have a serous gland. But if it is a glycoprotein, which form mucus in contact with water, we have a mucus exocrine gland. We will see in the next videos that there are also glands capable of secreting enzymes and mucus, the seromucus. We have identified 3 release mechanisms of these products of secretion by the cells. The most common is by exocytosis, which takes place in the merocrine exocrine glands. In some glands, the cell is broken down and eliminated altogether with the secretion. These are, in this case, holocrine exocrine glands. And and in others, the secretion is eliminated surrounded by a membrane. These are the apocrine-exocrine glands. In the next video, we will bring photomicrographs for you to learn how to identify and classify the ducts in histological sections. We will do the same with the other classification criteria of exocrine glands in the next videos as well. Stay tuned!